quietness and solitude of freezing landscapes fires the imagination, both inspiring and governing specialist equipment we use. Polar exploration and tour watches have always been linked. Some of the most famous watches through time have seen their greatest adventures in the coldest parts of the Earth. These watches are generally steel with superb legibility and have light-coloured dials, which are favoured and less reflective where sunlight is at its absolute brightest. Inspired by the lure of sub-zero adventure, I have two winter-inspired watches in front of me from Geckota. Let's have a look at them and see what makes them so special. The latest editions of the Geckota Ocean-Scout watch collection are fitted with textured dials in two finishes, ice white or frost. These designs are inspired by an undisturbed surface of freshly fallen snow and the heavily textured look of a polar ice field when seen from above. The Geckota Ocean-Scout Ice White offers a pure white textured display, strikingly contrasted with black outline markers and a black unidirectional bezel. Alternatively, the dial of the Ocean-Scout Frost is finished in a pastel glacial blue, which highly accentuates the texturing set against the dark outline indices. The Frost model also debuts a steel insert bezel, which is new on the Geckota Ocean-Scout range. With a brushed sunburst finish, the unidirectional bezel complements the polished surfaces of the steel case. Both bezels offer high legibility with an engraved elapsed time scale and a luminous pip at 12 o'clock. The contemporary size 38.5mm cases of the two new Ocean-Scout watches are machined from 316L marine grade stainless steel with a combination of polished and brushed finishes. We love the trademark lack of crown guards, which enhances the vintage brig crown aesthetic and takes a nod to some of the great dive watches of the 1960s. Boxed sapphire crystal sits above the dials and the knurled screw-down crown and case back ensure water resistance to 200 metres. A case height of 11.8mm and a lug-to-lug of 48mm means that the Ocean-Scout range is well suited to all wrists. The dials of the new watches maintain the classic 369 numeral vintage exploration layout with matching robust dark outline baton indices and purposeful sword-shaped hands, all of which are coated in BGW9 Superluminova. This specific compound of luminescence remains stark white in daylight and has a rich blue glow in low light. Both colours are representative of the frozen world which has inspired their creation. The Ocean-Scout range is powered by a premium automatic winding Miyota 9039 movement with 24 joules, vibrating at 28,800 VPH and offering a 42-hour power reserve. Parashock anti-shock system copes with the bangs and knocks associated with an adventurous life. The Geckota Ocean-Scout Ice and Frost watches are the latest release from the brand for winter exploration. But which is your favourite model? If you want to learn more, visit the Geckota website and also consider subscribing to the WatchGecko channel for more watch-related videos.